Press on field to display the keypad. Enter the username and password. Press login. You have entered the no sell mode. You are ready to start selling. Item may be entered at MPOS terminal in one of the following ways. Option A, scan item codes. Option B, key in item codes. And then press OK. The item is displayed in the ticket zone and in the action window. Press OK to proceed to complete the transaction. See tendering, close transaction and print the receipt.